Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to bring you this unboxing video. So if you see from the title, you have already know that this is actually a unboxing video of the Apple AirTag. So without further ado, I'm gonna bring out the box. So the AirTag actually came in a packaging like that. If you want to take a look, this is how the packaging look like. Of course, it's not like, you know, the real package, how the packaging look like, because I've removed this. This contains information on my AirTag. There's something here as well. I tear it out so that I can show you guys how the packaging actually looks like. I don't actually order this from like Shopee or some kind of Amazon on all these kind of places. I order it straight from Apple, on the Apple store. So where I live in is in Singapore, and they send it in this kind of very nice packaging. It's really actually very nice. It's just that I have to remove all this so that you guys don't see my details. Alright, so without further ado, let's do the unboxing while I continue talking to you guys. So once you leave, let me just put it back so that you guys can actually see how this is actually done. So once you get this box, you just need to slit open this part, and you can actually slide open this, and in there it reviews the AirTag. Alright, then you gotta push this up, and here you are, the AirTag. So it comes in a very nice, I can't say that it's well padded, but it's well protected, so that, you know, when there is bumps or anything, your AirTag won't get destroyed, like some of the stuff that I received from Shopee. But then well, okay, so once you get this, it's actually well taped down to the box over here. As you can see, what they do is that they actually have this kind of thin film over here, and they put your AirTag in, and they just fold it over here so that it stays nicely in place. So when the packaging comes, there's actually some air bubble. It's actually called you know, air space over here, so that when, you know, something hits at the back, it doesn't actually hit on the right onto your AirTag. So this is actually a very nice design, and strangely enough, there's no bubble wrap to protect this thing, but it's still very well protected. I'm impressed, man. I'm impressed. But anyway, to get your AirTag out, you don't have to cut this thin film over here. You can just unfold the whole cardboard, and you'll get this, your AirTag. So this is the main show. I'm gonna remove the cardboard so that you guys can see the AirTag better. Alright, so when you order from Apple, you can order actually a pack of 1 or a pack of 4. So I got a pack of 4 because I have intention to use it for 2 of my dogs and my keys and some of the things that I really lost, you know. So I know in Apple documentation it says that these are not meant for pets, not meant for pets tracking, but I see people using it for pets as well. So I'm gonna try it out and let you guys know how it works on the pet. Okay, but bear in mind, Apple have already said these are not meant to track your pets. Alright, these are meant to track items, not living things. Alright, so with that said, without further ado, let's just continue with the unboxing video. Alright, so this is what you're getting. I'm trying to show you like the whole packaging before I even unbox this. So as what you are seeing right now, these are things that I have not even seen before as well. This is my first time opening and unboxing this AirTag, so I'm just as lost as you guys and just as excited as you guys. Alright, so just like what Apple always do, they give you this thing. You just need to follow this, tear this thing out, and pull so that you have your unsealing done nice and properly. Okay, so once you pull off the tab, inside you're gonna have your AirTag. So I'm gonna place this down. I'm just gonna slowly pull this thing out. So yeah, there are some paperwork in there. This is the box. These are the paperwork that they give you. Yeah, quite a few languages in there. You're just gonna place it here, and this is your AirTag. So straight off the box, oh, there's more paperwork. All right, so straight off the box, it just looked like this, plain white with the word AirTag on it, and you can just flip open this. But before I do that, I want to let you guys see that inside here you see the AirTag. This is the bottom part. You see the AirTag as well. So I'm gonna place this here, flip this open, and before I continue, I'm gonna remove this and this. Alright, so this is the start of the show. Flip this open, and here it reviews the 4 AirTag. That is if you're getting a pack of 4. So what you're gonna see is this. You will need to have the latest iOS 14.5 updated, and you're gonna see this. They say pull the tab when ready to use and hold near your device. So guys, I actually take a look at how you're gonna set up this AirTags on YouTube, and I figured that I'm not gonna show you guys how to set it up, because the thing is, it's gonna review where I stay, everything online. So nope, I'm not gonna show you guys. But I'm gonna show you something cool about this AirTag, is that you can actually customize your AirTag to show different things. Like here I have a dog emoji on it, and for the other one I have the word cash on it. So I have 2 dogs. They are both French Bulldog. One is named Cash, and the other one is named Oreo. So I guess this is one. No, this is a bear. This is the one, I guess. Yeah, Oreo. So I'm gonna use these 2 on my dogs, and if it works well, I'm gonna post a video on how I use it and let you guys see the results. Alright, so gonna tag these 2 on my dog, Oreo and Cash, and gonna use these 2 for another stuff. So once you get this AirTag, they are actually covered in this very nice thin film. I don't know if you guys can see it well, but yeah, it's protected and covered in this very nice thin film. Alright, and this is the aluminum finished back. So I'm just going to maybe open one and let you guys see how this thing looks like. Oh, shiny, man. Can you see how shiny it is? Yeah. So once you pull out the thin film, it's just gonna look like that. So you have, at the very last part, you have this thin film that is attached to the inside of this aluminum film. I mean, this last part is attached into this very thin part of the aluminum cover. So once you pull this out, it's gonna be activated. Alright, and they actually says that you can actually replace the battery on this by just twisting the cap like this. So once you twist the cap, you can open this thing up, and you have the battery inside. The battery is actually a CR2032 battery. Well, but for now, I am just going to put this thing back. I don't know how easy it is going to be. Like you see, it's actually not very thick, right? So let me take a look. How is this going to be? Doesn't look that easy to put it back though. Alright, so here it is, and this, as you can see, the shiny metal cap is actually a fingerprint magnet and dust magnet as well. See, straight out of it is already scratched and have a lot of fingerprint on it. But let's just try this. Once you yank this out, do you hear the sound? There's a welcome beep that shows you that, hey, it's now activated. And yeah, this is it. Alright, so like I say, I'm not going to show you the setup process, because the thing is, the setup process is going to reveal where I stay and my personal information. So if you would like to know more on this AirTag, you can go to the Apple website and take a look at the setup video. Alright, so I'm gonna test these two out on my dogs. Alright, and I'm gonna let you guys know how useful it is by giving you a update. Maybe about 3 months later after I've used it. So Apple have actually says that this AirTag can actually last about a year of normal usage. So after that, you just need to replace the battery. I really like the design, because a lot of the tag that I have, they do not have replaceable batteries. Like I have a Estimate is from Google, the one that looks like candy. They have a lot of different colors. They can actually use for other things like wayfinding as well. Yeah, so I have that. It lasts for about 3 months. The battery lasts for about 3 months, and that's it. You have to throw the whole thing away. Else, if you want to replace that battery, which is also the same, it's a 2032 battery button battery that you see just now, but you have to cut open the whole thing just to replace the battery, you see. So I don't really like that. I have a few Estimate and I stopped using them altogether because it's so clumsy just to remove the battery and replace the battery, and it spoils the whole thing. So nah, I think I'll go with this better. So anyway, this is the unboxing video of the Apple AirTag. Hope you guys like it, and if you guys want more of this kind of unboxing video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. I'll bring you more of this content when I have more technology coming in. Alright, so this is it for the unboxing video. I hope you guys have enjoyed the unboxing video of the Apple AirTag, and I'll also show you guys that it can be customized really nice. So one thing that I miss out is that you can actually put 4 letters. Anything more than that, it will not show up. So that is all for the unboxing video. I hope you guys are staying safe out there, and see you guys in the next video.